Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Curvi Yogi. I am Jakita, and today we're going to go through a quick 10-minute practice that you can try at home for when you wake up, for a lunch break, or when you want to go to bed. Any of those will work, and it's just something quick that you can add into your day. So what you'll need is your mat and one block. The block is optional, but it's good to have in case you need it. So grab those things and we'll get started. So we're going to start at the top of the mat. Starting with the feet, lift the toes. So just being mindful that the ball of the foot and the heel are down. The side of the foot is also grounded into the mat. You may lift the arch just slightly if you don't have an arch. I don't, so I have to lift mine. And then once you've grounded the foot, you can replace the toes back on the mat. Lift the shoulders up towards your ears, down and back as your shoulder blades pull together behind you and the chest opens. And as you do that, bring the ribs in just a little bit as we stand tall into mountain pose, Tadasana. We're going to start with 3 breaths here, inhaling through the nose and exhaling out of the mouth. So let's inhale together. Open the mouth and exhale. Inhale. Open the mouth, exhale. One more time, inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. And then from here, inhale as you bring the arms out and up. Exhale as you fold forward into a forward fold. Inhale, half forward fold. Exhale, forward fold. Now take an inhale here. On the exhale, bend your knees, reach your arms up, come into chair pose. So just imagining there's a seat behind you that you're sitting down on. You can come down as low as you want. And then inhale, you're going to shift your weight to your left foot, lift your right leg, step it back. So the ball of the foot, or the right foot, is down on the mat. Front knee is bent, reaching the arms up, coming into a high lunge. And then inhale here. Exhale, bring the hands down to the inside of the left foot. Step the left foot back to meet the right, coming into a plank. And then shifting back to a downward facing dog. Hold for a breath. Keep the right foot down. Lift the left leg up behind you. Inhale. Exhale as you bring the left knee in. Shift forward like you come into a plank. And then step that left foot forward. So you can step it between your hands or to the left wrist. And then planting the back foot down, keeping the front knee bent. Bring that left hand to the inside of the left foot. And then reaching the right arm up. This is where you can grab your block here, coming into extended side angle pose. Keeping the chest open. And then releasing the block, lifting the back heel, reaching the arms up, coming back to our high lunge. We're stepping forward to our chair pose. Inhale. Exhale as you fold forward. Forward fold. Inhale, half forward fold. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, arms out and up. Exhale, arms down by your side. We're gonna do that one more time. On the other side. So coming back to our mountain pose. Just checking in with the feet, your foundation. Ball of the foot is down, heel is down, side of the foot is grounded. Lift the arch slightly and replace the toes. Shoulders up and back. Standing tall. And then inhale, bringing the arms out and up. Exhale as you come into a forward fold. Inhale, half forward fold. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale as you bend the knees. Exhale as you reach the arms up. Come into your chair pose. And then shift your weight to your right foot. Lift the left foot. Step it back. Come into our high lunge again. Front knee is bent. The back heel is lifted. Arms are up. And then bringing the hands down to the inside of the right foot. Stepping the right foot back to downward facing dog. Shift forward to your plank. Inhale. Exhale. And then back to downward facing dog. Lifting the right leg up behind you. Inhale. Exhale as you bring the knee in. Shift forward like you're coming to a plank. And then step the right foot forward, either between the hands or to the right wrist. And then plant the back foot down. You can grab your block here if you want. Keeping a bend in that front knee. Opening the chest to the left and reaching that left arm up. You can keep it straight or you can reach it above your head. Extended side angle. And then putting your block off to the side. Lifting the back foot. Turning, facing forward. Reaching the arms up. Coming back to our high lunge. And then we're stepping back forward to our chair pose. Last one. Inhale. Exhale as you fold over. Come into your forward fold. Inhale, half forward fold. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, arms out and up. Palms together, exhale, hands down in front of your heart. Let's end with 3 breaths here. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling out of the mouth. Let's inhale. Open the mouth, exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One last time, inhale. And exhale. You can close your eyes here. You can bow your head to your heart if you like. Just bowing in gratitude for this short mini practice. So happy that we were able to come to our mat today for 5 minutes. I hope that this was refreshing and rejuvenating for your practice. And I hope that it helps you to be more productive, more energetic throughout your day. Always remember that the light in me sees and honors the light within each of you. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you guys next time.